I started practicing yoga since my childhood, but then there was a long break in between. I was not able to practice it for a long time, and so I was, doing other exercises like walking and like regular exercises. And recently, like 1.5 years back, I again joined yoga due to some health issues, and I've been practicing yoga like sincerely for 1.5 years. So when I do other exercises like walking, and I also like do swimming, but my mind will not be focused in the exercise. I'll be doing the exercise, but I'll be thinking about something else. And even though I am like being benefited from walking or swimming, my mind is not being clear. I'll be thinking about other things even during the exercise. Whereas when I do yoga, I'm able to stay focused and then concentrate on the postures, and then my mind is also getting clear. Not only physical benefits, but also I'm getting mental benefits by doing yoga. And every day when I start my day with yoga, I'm able to uh, the energy that I'm getting by doing yoga, I'm able to have it for the entire day. I'm not able to feel tired that easily. Whereas when I do other exercises, I do feel energetic, but when I do yoga, it's I'm able to retain the energy for the entire day. Like my parents keep telling me regularly, you're being very active nowadays, and my extended relatives also tell me you're being very calm, and you're being very charming every day. You're not being tired like how you used to be before. Yeah, thank you.